Hello, today we will guide you through how to create QR code for Linktree. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to find the QR code option directly inside your Linktree account so you can quickly access and share your Linktree page in a scannable format. This is useful if you want to place your Linktree on printed materials, social media graphics, packaging, or anywhere people can scan a code instead of typing a web address. To begin, open your browser and go to the Linktree admin page. This is the main dashboard where you manage your Linktree profile and settings. Once you arrive there, make sure you're fully loaded into the account area before moving on, so the navigation and profile tools are visible. Next, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Links in the navigation menu. This section is where your Linktree links are managed, and it also gives you access to the main page connected to your profile. If you don't immediately notice it, take a moment to scan the sidebar carefully, since the layout may be slightly different depending on screen size or account view. After that, move your attention to the top right area of the page. There you'll see your Linktree URL displayed. Click on your Linktree address at the top right to open the profile-related options connected to your public page. This is an important step because the QR code feature is accessed from that page shortcut rather than from the link list itself. Once that menu or panel appears, click on QR code. This will open the QR code for your Linktree page, allowing you to view it and use it for sharing. From here, you can typically use the displayed code wherever you want people to quickly reach your Linktree by scanning it with a phone camera. As a quick tip, before sharing the QR code widely, it's a good idea to make sure your Linktree page is up to date and that your most important links are active and arranged the way you want. That way, when someone scans the code, they land on a polished and useful page. And that's it. You've successfully located the QR code for your Linktree. Thanks for following along, and we hope this made the process simple and easy to understand.